Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another wig to review for you guys. This is a wig from Jessie's Wigs. It's a pre-everything wig, so the lace is cut onto it. It has transparent lace. It has pre-bleached knots. It has basically, I believe it's pre-plucked as well. So it basically comes to your door ready to put on and go. It's a beautiful chocolate brown color, perfect for fall. Let me just show you guys the color. It is stunning. I feel like the browns are really in right now, so this is just going to look so good. I love the color. I don't think I've reviewed any type of wig like this onto my channel yet, but because it was a pre-everything wig and it was human hair and it's under $200, I was so excited to get it. So if you guys have been having like a budget under $200, this is going to be perfect. But if you are fair skin, just keep in mind, I do feel like these pre-everything wigs, whenever it's like a brown wig or a black colored wig, I feel like the knots are lightly bleached. So it's not that deep bleach where they're completely gonna disappear. Because we have very light skin, it is going to show some, just like the tiniest bit. And I like to, I'll show you guys a little hack just in case you guys are fair skin and you guys want a wig that's under $200 and it's pre-everything and you kind of want a little tip on how to hide them just a little bit more. I will add that into this video, but this wig is supposed to be that you just throw it on and go. It does look really good. It does look it's pretty amazing for the price range. So let's get into it. Inside the package, I want to show you what I got. So you get the wig. She's 20 inches long, and then whenever you lift her, you see that you get a wig band. This is going to help you melt down the lace if you wanted to, and you also get a brush. Now this brush I have been in love with. I got one in the past and I use it on my wigs all the time. They don't tug on the hair, they don't ruin the hair. Super good. I'm not sure if customers get this, but this is what I got in my package. So let's put the wig on and let me show you what she is looking like. So when I put her on, you guys can see that she has the most beautiful hairline ever. She's pre-plucked. You really could see whenever I'm running my hands through the hair, there's so much space. It's really nice. But the thing is that you can see just like the tiniest bit, those dots. If you guys don't mind that and that looks super natural to you, then totally disregard what I'm saying. But for me, I like deep bleached knots. I like the full on, you cannot see any type of knot at all. So what I like to do is I'll go in with a little bit of Merit makeup. This has been the best shade ever. I think it's bisque or something like that. I'm not sure, but because I am doing this voiceover without looking at it, the name of it, but you guys can see it here onto the screen. I love going in with this color. And I'll just rub. You can kind of see that there is dots onto the lace a little bit. And I'll just go in and put the, like, almost like a marker, and I'll put it onto the top. And then she is ready to put on. This is going to be able to, like, you're going to be able to throw this on every single day and walk out the door after this. So I'm going to put her on and show you guys what she is looking like now that I did all those little adjustments. I'm going to put her right on top of my hair. Because she does have an adjustable band, she's not going to slip, she's not going to slide. I don't really need a wig cap to hold all my hair in because she really fits well. So what I'm going to do with this is I'm actually going to take a hot comb and push the hair forward like this, and then with some Lotta Body mousse spray and flatten this part of the wig as well. And I want to get that line really, really straight right into the middle of my parting and push back the hair that's right here because I feel like that's puffy. I love this color on me. Okay, so once you you gotta use a hot comb. you gotta use a little bit of techniques of your own. Yes, these are pre-everything wigs, but being fair skin and like not only fair skin, okay, but I'm just saying for the knots wise, being fair skin, you do have to use some type of kind of cover up if you are getting pre-everything wigs, I feel like. Anyway, that's just my opinion, and that's been my experience, especially for wigs in this price range. But it is human hair, and like once you do these little prep work, these wigs are really put on and go. Like, you know what I'm talking about? Like once all these steps are done, every day you're just going to be able to throw on this wig and it's going to look like this every day, and you're going to be able to walk out the door. I thought I was going to have to use a fake scalp. I ended up not using a fake scalp on the inside. You guys can see actually my wig cap is sliding back right here, and this is my real hair underneath showing just a little bit, but it's not a big deal to me. I think this looks so pretty, and I actually like the look of it. Whenever I was using the fake scalp tape, I felt like it just like showed a little bit too much, and I wasn't liking the look. So today I went with no fake scalp tape. This is what she's looking like. I like her. I think she looks really good and pretty. I want to actually dye my hair this color. I say that with every single wig, but this one, once I put some bronzer on, so I know you guys could tell, like I did my makeup a little bit, and now that I did my makeup with a little bit of blush and lots of bronzer, I feel like this wig looks so pretty on. At first I felt like, I don't know, I wasn't sure about the color. I was just making sure my mic was on. I wasn't sure about the color in the beginning, but now that I've done all these extra steps, putting my makeup to match my hair, I think she looks stunning. She looks really pretty, and now that I've flattened her, she looks a lot more realistic. So if you guys want this wig, I will leave her linked in the description box down below, maybe in the comment section as well, so you guys can go get her. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more tips and tricks on how to make wigs look super realistic, I actually have another wig video on my channel that is kind of blowing up right now. It's like doing really well for me, and people seem to really like these tips and tricks, and I'm showing another Jessie's wigs. So if you want to see more wigs from them and you also want more tips and tricks, make sure to go check out this video right here. I know you guys are gonna love it, and it's really where I give off all of my, I don't know, my little hacks. It took me a long time to figure out all those hacks. Sorry. And I had to like really look for these hacks. So I think that's why this video is going viral, and I know you're going to learn a lot from it. So go check it out. I'll see you guys there, and I'll see you guys in the next. Bye guys.